So I have these tail lights. I know you can't really see them from Fieryred. They got a marker light on the side. They're LED, reverse light in the middle. $92 off of Amazon. Direct plug and play. Real simple installation. I'll show you the difference. This is a 2018 Jeep Unlimited. We're putting the roof back on it now since it's been raining. Alright, that's the halogen lights. Hard to see. They're so bright, but they look really bright, but they're not. Alright, put it back in park. So right here in the back of the Jeep, here's the hard top. Right in front of the tail light, there's this cover. Just put a flathead screwdriver under it and pop it up. And that is where the bolt lives. It's a plastic bolt that keeps the taillights in. So once you remove that plastic, this piece, bolt, I guess, it's craziness with that spring. But once you remove that, which it was in here, right in here, you pull it straight out. The connector right here, you just pull that red tab back, and then you'll have to push down in the middle of it to separate the connector, and that's it. It's real simple. So this is the new light. Here's the old factory light. You take this piece off and put it on here. It's just 3 screws. Screw here, screw here, screw here, and transfer it directly over. They got the holes here, here, and there. So real easy transfer, Phillips head. Here it is all swapped over to the new light. 3 screws. They come with metal brackets so you can mount this to the light or to inside the Jeep housing. I'm just gonna zip tie it to the wire bundle and let it hang. No big deal. So I just zip tied it to the housing like that. Alright, hooked up. Gonna put it back in and then re-secure it. Here's what the new Fieryred tail light looks like in running light mode. There's the brake light. Turn signals. Those last fit front turn signals up front. They're so bright. Look at it lighting the whole place up. So do it again, babe. There's the turn signal. Brakes. Turn the turn signal. Let off. Hit the brakes. There's the brakes. And reverse lights. That halogen's actually pretty bright. This one is also bright. It's kind of directed down, but that light looks so much better than the stock. It's fit multifunction turn signal. It's white running parking light, and then the 4-ways or the turn signals amber, super bright. So bright. $55 for the set, but white amber, so nice. I have another video on those if you want to see that. Hard to see at nighttime, but they look really good on this dark gray Jeep. All smoked out. I'll try to get a video tomorrow morning in the light, but they look good. Smoked. No, you can't see anything. Parking lights now. Much better. Video probably doesn't show how nice it actually is. And then there's the turn signals. And here's what the smoke taillights look like. I think they look really nice. All black, smoked out. I like the look. During the day. Nice. Just turn signals. Woo! I like it. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.
I know the book on the side.